Welcome students to Dhya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra and I am Smitha. Today we are learning for standard third and our topic name is advertisement. Okay, now so pay attention over here, we will start our lecture. See, what is our topic? That is advertisement. What comes in your mind when you read this word or when you listen about this word? What you see or what you understand? If I say advertisement, what comes in your mind first? A ad. When you watch a TV, right? When you are watching some show. Everyone know the show that Tarak Mehta? Yes. What is that? That is a program. But between that program, what you see? A ad, right? That ad means advertisement. What they are doing? They are trying to sell something, right? Means what they are giving the knowledge about the product. If you saw a ad of a Tide or washing powder, what is that? What they are saying, that is useful to wash your clothes, that makes your clothes clean, or that is keep your clothes bright, right? You can use this is a very good product, and what it gives a brightness within a minutes, right? They are giving the knowledge about the product. Now you will get in detail what I am explaining, so please pay attention over here. Now see, advertisement means what? A public notice that tells us about a product, service, or event. If you see, there is a fun fair. Okay, you saw a fun fair pamphlet or a fun fair banner, right? In a beside to road. So what is that? They are giving the information about an event. Okay. Regarding products means what? What I say, a washing powder. That is what? That is a product. And service. See, you see the service ad also. Which is service ad? See, service ad means what? If you are using a purifier, we will repair it. That is an advertisement of a servicing. Understood? Or in a bank ad, or if you say insurance, what is that? They are providing a service, right? If you have an insurance, then a company will advertise, right? That what is that? If you have an insurance, right, what they will do? They will give a service. If they are giving you any kind of a product or any material in your hand, no, you cannot that use, but you can utilize it. You can utilize it means what? You can have a support, or you will get the service about it, right? This is the example for service. Or now you can differentiate between the advertise and means advertise is regarding to what? That is regarding to the product, service, or event, right? Now see, what are they advertised regarding to? Like a sell at a store, fun movie, a new toy. Okay, we see an advertisement of movies also. That is what regarding to service, right? That is what, and that is an entertainment. Movies are what? Entertainment. See, and what happened? People pay money to share ad on TV. See what the ads are coming on a TV. They are paid. They have invest some money on it. They are not free, but we can watch that free. But these are not free to product company or service company. They have to pay some amount to show their ad on TV or into radio also, or in a newspaper, a poster, a banner. They pay a money for it. Understood? Now what happened? See, we see the ad also on newspaper, poster, which I have said, online also, on a mobile, and more as what, or radio, right? And on a beside of a road, have you seen the ads? A long big poster. Have you seen the big poster of Everest masala on beside the road, or movies, a long poster? Have you ever seen? Yes, you seen that. Good. Now what is that? That is an ad. Ad means advertise. In a short, what we say? Advertise. Ad. Okay. Now see. The goal of advertisement is to get your attention and persuade you to buy, try something new. Means what? See, if you are using one hair shampoo, that is XYZ shampoo, but you saw an advertisement of a new shampoo, so what you will think? I will also try this. Why? Because it's giving a smooth hair. It can be clean deeply, right? They are telling like that. So what will happen? You will get automatically attracted to that. That is what? That is an advertisement. Understood, students? Yes. Means what? They are attracting their customers while advertising. Okay, now see, the ads are everywhere, on a TV, radio, newspaper, poster, website, or even a buses and walls. Have you seen the ads on wall? Yes. What ads are there on walls? They are regarding to a school or a classes. Have you read that ad? No? Now, when you go outside, you have to watch this also. You can, what an advertise you have seen, and let me know. Okay, regarding to movies, or regarding to a school advertisement or a class advertisement, right? You have to note down it and let me know. Okay. Now see, next is a summary. Okay. Again, I am telling what is advertisement. Advertisement means a message that tell you about something new and encourage you to buy it. See what example I have given. I have given an example of a shampoo. You are using one shampoo, right? But what you saw a ad, and what is that? That was a new product of a shampoo. So what do you think? No, I have to buy that. Why it is so good? That lady is doing an ad. She have a long smooth hair. I also want that type of hair. So what you will do? You will do the purchase, or you will buy that product. Means what? You automatically get the attract and encourage to buy. Understood, students? Now ads are everywhere. So you, where you see that? On a TV, poster, radio, website, and more. Ads try to get your attention and make you feel like buying something new to yourself. Okay, and I given you a small example of a shampoo, but there are lots of products. You get attracted and you buy it, right? See, now this is a poster regarding a kids camp summer festival. Now pay attention over here. I am showing you something important. Yes. Now see, students. Okay, this is a kids camp summer festival. What? This is a summer festival. Everyone have an holiday in summers, that is summer vacation. Yes. So what they have arranged? They have arranged a Kids Camp. Now see, hey kids, come and experience a great weekend at here and lots of summer fun activity, outdoor games, craft, singing, swimming, lots of fun. And registration is on this website and Imperial Postdoll Segment. This is their website. Okay. Now see fun activity program. This is what an fun activity program. What they are giving an activity? Activity like outdoor games, craft, singing, swimming, lots of fun. Everyone likes to play a game and outdoor games. Right? What are the outdoor games? What are the outdoor games? Outdoor games are playing cricket, basketball, volleyball, and what you say else? Else is what is else? A cricket, right? Yes, these are the outdoor games. And another is craft. What is craft? You buy a colorful paper and you cut it in a different shape. That is craft. Singing, swimming. Do everyone like singing and swimming? Yes, this is a good enjoyment activity. Now, see, we will take some multiple choice question on it. See now, pay attention over here. What is the name of the event shown in a poster? Now see, what is the answer? Kids Camp Summer Festival. What is that? Kids Summer School. Is that school or camp? Is that school mentioned on a poster? No. What's that? That is a school or camp? Camp. Yes. Now see, did we find a camp word in that first line? No. So we will go to the next. What is that? Fun fest? No. Kids Camp Summer Festival or art and music camp. They are teaching you singing and swimming. But is it related to name that related to this which we have seen our poster? No. So what is the answer? The answer is Kids Camp Summer Festival. So what we will do? We will pick this answer. Understood how to find? Yes. Which of these activities is not mentioned in the image? This is what? This is an image, means this is a poster, right? So, which activities are there? Outdoor games, craft, singing, swimming, lots of fun. Now, see, which is not mentioned? Swimming is there, yes. Craft is there, and singing is there, but reading is not there. So, what is our question? Not mentioned. So, our answer is reading. So, we have to pick the right answer. That is a reading. Now, see, what does the poster says kids can do at the camp? What kids can do? Watch movies, make a new friends, go shopping, sleep all day. Or this is a general knowledge, or make a new friend. Where we find the option? See over here. Everyone can see this part? Everyone, look at this upstairs. This is the option. So where we will pick? So make a new friends. Okay. Now, which program is highlighted with the purple star? Now see, everyone can see I am rubbing some points over here so you can see a clear picture. See, where is a purple star? Now show me a purple star over here. This color is red. This is yellow. This is red. This is yellow. And where is the purple color? See, here is a purple color. Now what message have written over there? Everyone, see over here. What is this? Fun activity program. Now go to the question. See, which program is highlighted with purple star? So, music shows, dance competition, fun activity program, sport day. Which is the correct answer? Fun activity program is the correct answer. Now see, what is the girl in the front holding? See, again we will go to the our poster. What she have hold in on what she have hold in her hand, that is a paint brush. What is this? Everyone can see this, that hand, and what she has hold, that is a paint brush. Is it ice cream? No, this is a paint brush. Don't get confused. Watch clearly first. Okay. Don't be in rush while solving this kind of question. Now see. A balloon, a basketball, a paintbrush, a microphone. What is that? That is a paint brush. So we will pick the right one. Okay. Now another poster. See. Is this so colorful and so nice and so beautiful? Right? Why this is so colorful? Everyone have any idea about this? Why this poster is so colorful? Or last one is also. Why this is so colorful? See, they have used lots of color over here. Why? Anyone can tell me about this? Why? Yes, I will tell. Because to attract your attention. See, if it is in a white color, see, like this, plain something, what will happen? You will look that poster. No. What you will do? Something is nothing is important. I will use that paper for something else. But it isn't so colorful, written on a very good message. What you will do? You will pick that. See, you will look at it. What is this? I let me know what is this. I let me read first. What is this? Yeah, this is related to summer camp. Yeah, I will send my child here. What you also said, Mama, I want to go that. I want to join that camp. Right? Why? Because the pamphlet is so interested. So what will be about the event? That will be more interesting. What happened? You get attract. What happened? You get attract. So that's the reason this is so colorful. Understood? Yeah. In exam also, you don't have an color pen or color allowed. But what you have to make it an attractive. Writing in a big font, right? Writing in a something different way. Free, free, free. Or you can making an exclamatory mark, making some kind of a drawing over there. What will happen? That ad will become attractive. Understood, students? Now another. See, I have given you a basic idea about the pamphlet. Now we will move to the next slide. See, this is what? This is an MCQ. I know this is your favorite part to solve the MCQ. Yes, solve with me now. See, what? Yeah, when I'm solving the MCQ, you just have to take your rough notebook with you guys. I want every student should have the rough notebook with you while solving. You have to practice with me. Okay? Yes, you will practicing with me itself. So this is will make you habit to solve. Understood? Now see what is the name of the event shows in the poster. Now see what is the event name? Creative Kids Workshop. See, do we have this option? Okay, we will check one by one. Kids Talent Show, Creative Kids Workshop, School Art Fair, Drawing Fun Day. What is the option? Option is B, Creative Kids Workshop. What is the answer? Answer is Creative Kids Workshop. Understood? Yes. Move to next. What activities are included in the workshop? Now see, we will go here. What are the activities are there? See, drawing, painting, dancing. These are the activities. Now see over here. Singing, reading, writing, drawing, painting, dancing, playing, running, jumping, acting, singing and skating. So what is the answer, students? The answer is drawing, painting and dancing. So we will pick this option. Option is drawing, painting and dancing. There is another question. When will the workshop take place? Now see, when it starts on 22th of July 2021, 10 a.m. Now see over here. See, do we have that option? 15th July or 22 June 21, 1 May 2021 or 5 August 2021. What we read now? The option was 22 June 2021. At what time will the workshop start? The starting time will be 9, 11, 10 or 1. The option is 10. Very good. Now see, where is the workshop being held? Held on 1, 2, 3, anywhere ST, any city. Ramnagar, Mumbai. 12 Main Street, Pune. School playground. The answer is 1, 2, 3, anywhere sit and any city. Okay. Now see, this is the third one. Your presence. See, this is also very colorful and attractive. Understood now? How to identify the MCQ, right? And now this is the third one. Now see, I will show you the MCQ. What is the main subject of the poster? See, what is the main? Kids music course. Kids music course. Okay, this is something related to music. See, art class, dance workshop, kids music course, swimming lessons. Answer is kids music course. Who is the course designed for? How is the course is designed for? For who? Means for whom? किसके लिए? Right? And only teenagers, only adults, children and teens, toddlers. This is related to something children. So this is the answer. Now next, which of the following is a listed benefit of the course? What is the benefit? What are the options over here? These are the benefit part. This is what? Benefit part. Everyone can see? Yes. This is related to something university trained teachers. Student can choose a teacher. Fun and engaged teaching style. Family owned business music school. Specializing in music teaching. See now. Which option we have? Free snacks, sport coaching, university trained teachers, or acting practice. Which one is related? University trained teacher is related. So, what musical instrument in the girl holding in the image? Drum, violin, guitar, or flute? Is that girl is holding drum? What is this? What is this? Yes, this is a guitar. So we will pick the guitar option. See, option is guitar. Now, next is what can student choose according to the benefit section? What to wear? A teacher, school name, instruments only. If they are allowed to only choose an instrument, no, there is a big benefit. They can choose the teacher. See, where we see this benefit? Here. Student can choose a teacher. What is that? This is a good benefit. They can choose their teacher. See, now we're done with this part. Thank you so much and keep practicing and have fun.